What if I tell you that in just 10 minutes you could build an AI power assistant that automatically draft email replies for you without writing a single line of code? By the way, if you're new here, my name is Puneet. I make videos on tech, emerging tech to help you stay ahead, save time and make smarter decisions. Let's say you want all your email to generate a draft response where subject line is marketing or maybe Instagram marketing, something like that. Sounds perfect, right? Isn't that interesting? Today I will show you step by step how to build an AI agent that detects incoming email with a specific subject line, uses AI to generate a reply automatically, saves the reply as a draft, and we will do all these things without writing a single line of code. Before going into much details, I would like you to know that the tools that we are using Zapier AI, and your Gmail account. Let's start with a process where we are building an AI assistant for you. Alright, let's get started with the demo. First, open Zapier app. I won't go into details of the registrations. You can easily sign up on your own. Once you are logged in, you can see Zapier dashboards where you can create automation called Zaps. Now let's set up our AI powered email automations. Here Zapier opens a prompt where we define our automation. Let me explain you what Zapier steps in a Zap. Zapier is a no-code automation tool that connects different apps and automates workflow without requiring any programming language. And a Zap is an automated workflow that runs in the background to perform a specific task when certain conditions are triggered. Think of it like this. Zapier is the bridge between two apps, for example, Gmail and Google Docs, Slack and Notion. A Zap is a rule you set up to tell Zapier what to do when something happens. You set a trigger when X happens and an action do Y automatic. Now let's get into the steps. Step 1, detect email with a specific subject. So here you have to connect your account which will receive an email, and here we specify the search term such as Instagram marketing. This means Zapier will only detect email that includes these phrases. Once Zapier is set, it automatically fetch all the relevant email from your inbox. Now step 2, setting up the AI assistant which will draft your response. In this step, we specify prompt for AI assistant. The instructions could be when an email with an Instagram marketing is received, generate a professional draft response, greet the sender, and provide some helpful information. You can customize this that fits your needs. In the steps 3, generating the draft email, which would set up a basic idea for you, and then you don't have to think about it at that time. So finally we set up connected. So what happens here, the AI output, the drafted email, is inserted into the email body. Instead of manually replying, email draft is already drafted, and then you just have to tweak a little bit and then send it according to you. There you go, your AI automation is set. Now let's test the automation. Now you have set everything that works. We'll draft an email, test an email, send it to a connected account. Okay, once received, Zapier detects the email, triggers the automation and generate a draft reply. Finally, we check our Zapier history to see the automation process in action. And at the end, when you open an Gmail, we can see the draft has been generated automatically. So final thoughts. With just few clicks, we have built an AI assistant that drafts email for us, saving time and reducing manual effort. Now you can expand this automation for several things: customer service inquiries, sales follow-up, job application responses, and many more. Want to take this further? Try to create a Zap yourself. You would be amazed by the results. And if you have any idea you want me to build something, comment below and I will definitely feature some of your ideas in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe.